Welcome back. We've seen concepts like lists being mutable and tuples being immutable. Now, let's dedicate a lecture to truly understanding immutability, a fundamental concept in Python that impacts data safety, hashing, and performance. 1. Core definition and identity. An immutable object is one whose value cannot change. If you appear to change an immutable object, you are actually creating a brand new object in memory and reassigning the variable to point to it. For mutable objects like a list, its memory address, or ID, remains the same even after modification. For immutable objects like a string or tuple, any operation that modifies it results in a new object with a new memory ID. 2. Why immutability matters. The key reason is hashing. Only immutable objects can be hashed, meaning they have a constant hash value. This makes them eligible for use as dictionary keys or elements in a set, both of which require constant hash values for fast lookup. Since a list can change, its hash value would change, breaking the lookup structure of dictionaries and sets. To summarize, mutable types can be modified in place. Immutable types cannot be modified and are required for dictionary keys and set members due to their consistent hashability. Our next lecture 04-20. Data types patient use case.